How many two digits numbers are divisible by 3? Answer: 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 3 into 6 is equal to 18, 3 into 7 is equal to 21, 3 into 33 is equal to 99. Therefore, the 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on 99. It is in AP. The series is AP or sequence is in AP. Therefore, A is equal to 12, D is equal to 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Therefore, A plus n minus 1 D is equal to nth term. A plus n minus 1 D is equal to 99. Let therefore 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99. Therefore n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99 minus 12. N minus 1 3 is equal to 87. N minus 1 is equal to 87 by 3. 329 are so 87. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 29. N minus 1 is equal to 29. N is equal to 2. 29. 29 plus 1 is equal to 3. N is equal to 30. N is equal to 30.